guys, and welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're here to do an update on our vanilla extract. Remember, we started this on January 6th. I have it in my calendar here. We started it on the 6th of January. That's on a Monday. And on week 1, I did come back and give you an update on the vanilla extract in the process. And as I started to think about it, I didn't think there was a need to come back the next week. So we're going to do an every 2-week update. So this is week 2 and 3 update here. And we're into week 4. Because this is January. And as you can see, I say week 2, week 3. Apologize for that. And we are right here at the 4th of February. So we are into week 4. So we have made our vanilla extract has been brewing for 1 whole month. And we're going to take a look at it and see how it's doing. We're not going to do a recap because we did that in week 1. So if you would like to go and see how we started the process, I will link those videos down below. How we started the process, and I will give you the update for week 1, how all that went. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at our vanilla extract. Y'all know I'm always so impressed with the process of this. It is so amazing. So we're going to start with our vodka, and this is what it looks like after 1 month. We're going to go ahead and give it a toss. And I can see some of the little particles from the vanilla beans that's releasing in there. It's soaking up all of that good flavor. This is our rum. Looking good. Same here. The vanilla bean is starting to break down. So all that flavor is going to be ready for us to do some good cooking. And this is our bourbon. Okay. Give it a good toss. It's looking good. I am so impressed. I'm amazed by it. And we will do another update in 2 weeks to let you know what our vanilla beans are looking like. And also, I want you guys to start thinking about any type of recipes you want me to try these vanilla extracts with. So if you don't mind going back and looking at the starting video, and also the recap, the update for week 1, so you can know what flavors go good with what foods. And I will be more than happy to try to put some of those recipes together. And with that being said, I'm going to see you in week, I'm going to see you in week 6 for the 6-week update. And think about that. On the 6-week update, we only have 2 more weeks because it only had to ferment for 2 months, which is 8 weeks. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to see you next time on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.